G'day all, another day, another chance to defeat this water tank. Quarter success. Only 3 more to go. We've got ourselves a slab ready for some water tanks that actually hold water. Number 2. What? Another battery gone, another disc gone. Second last battery, got the big one on. New blade. Should be able to finish this section. Will it get? Three down. One to go. Okay, this is the last one. It's going to stick it pretty well. So before timber. Win. Look at this. Spectacular. I don't think I'm going to take this away now. Might actually see the options. But it's not too bad. Happy days. All happy days. Now we've got 4 curved roof sheeting for the camp kitchen. Oh, you can see the round yard from here. Now I've got some cleaning up to do and drag these 4 bits of curved metal down through the old stables. Not a place back.